Hi guys, here is a quick tutorial video for you for graphing linear inequalities. You'll notice that this is your homework for tonight. So we will go ahead and we'll do number 1 together, and we will also go ahead and do number 3 together here. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to sketch the graph of this linear inequality, and the way that I can do that is by treating this like it's regular y equals mx plus b, so negative x minus 4. So I will come down here to negative 4. There's my y-intercept, and from here I can go down 1 and over 1, down 1 and over 1, and so this will be where my graph is on this coordinate plane. And since this is a less than symbol, really similar to having an open circle or a closed circle, when we graph these lines, instead of making little open circles everywhere, we'll just graph this as a dashed line here. So continue to following along with this line. We'll graph this as a dashed line. And now I need to figure out sort of where are my y values smaller than negative x minus 4. And so what we do is we use some test points. So my sort of rule of thumb is if the origin isn't on the line, then that is going to be the point that I pick. So 0 is less than negative 0, or 0 minus 4. So 0 is less than negative 4. Is this true? Is 0 less than negative 4? No, this is not true. So since 0 is over here, I will shade on the other side where 0 is not. So these are all of the values where my y is less than negative x minus 4. So coming down here, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. So except this time, I have a greater than or equal to sign, so I know that I can make a solid line. So for less than, over here doing some notes, less than and greater than, it's a dashed line. And for less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, it is a solid line. So those are just little notes we can add. So I'll come down here to negative 1, and I can go up 3 and over 2, up 3 and over 2. And from here, I can, here, let's make this a little straighter. Up 3 and over 2. So from here, I can make a nice straight line here. And it's a solid line because it's less than or equal to. So again, I'll pick my 0, 0. So 0 is bigger than or equal to 3 over 2 times 0 minus 1. 0 is bigger than or equal to negative 1. This is true. So I know that 0, 0 falls in my solution set. So I can go ahead and shade. Let's do one more together. Let's take a look here at y is greater than x plus 2. So I will come over here to 2, and I can go up 1 and over 1, up 1 and over 1. So I can create my line here, and I'm going to have a dashed line because this is a greater than symbol. And let's pick my point 0, 0. So 0 is bigger than 0 plus 2. 0 is bigger than 2. This is false. So I will not shade over here. Since that's false, 0, 0 does not fall in my solution set. I can shade everything that's above over here. So there's just a few examples. You'll notice that some of these are in standard form down here. So for these, find the intercepts. So plug in 0 for x in order to find the y-intercept. Plug in 0 for y in order to find the x-intercept. And you can plot using those intercepts. Other than that, we will take some time to go over this on Wednesday in class before your quiz on Thursday. Good luck, guys.